So hello everyone. Till now we have been dual boot the Ubuntu. Now my task is to do the update and install all the required softwares. Okay. So the first step I will do a simple update. So there I will search just software update. This will come. I will click on it and it will check update and start updating the part. So it is first checking for update. So this update part has come on and these are the different software it is getting update. Okay. So these are the different software which are getting updates. So I will install now. So this update is happening. Let it be done, and till then let us download other required softwares. Like one software is the what we say Chrome. Okay, the very basic software. I will don't worry about font size, everything we will make sure we will do every setups. Okay, so download and install Google Chrome. Okay, Chrome, download, yeah, download Chrome. Debian version Ubuntu we are using. If you are using Fedora, then RPM you need to install. So Chrome is getting downloaded, and next part is the Chrome is getting downloaded. This is a Debian package. Let us install it. So all the files and other things are come here in file manager. We will touch home, down document and downloads. I will right click open with and app center. Okay, I will make sure that always all the Debian package open with app center, because app center has good installation part. Okay, I hope it is opening in background. I will move to the settings here in the Firefox. I prefer open previous window and tab. Why? Because as soon as I close this Firefox and if I open the Firefox again, the Firefox Windows tab don't go away. So that is why I prefer that setting. Okay, so I think my software is getting update. After update I will open with App Center. Let us get update completed. Updating snaps app packages. So there are three packages. One is snaps, one is normal apt pack manager, and one is a Debian package. I will restart later. I will install some more software then restart. Okay, so I will click on this part again. I will go to downloads. I will double click on it, since we have already done that open with app center. If not, make sure that it is open with app center. I have made this default. I will install the Google Chrome. So this is how the Debian package you can install. You need to enter password for it. So Chrome is getting installed. And after Chrome getting installed, I will move to the manage. And these are the other packages. And I will update them all. Okay. I'm pausing video for some time to get updated. So after some minutes, all the updates has been done. You can check again for update. So all the updates has been done. I will close this. So update has been done. I will do some settings and then I will restart. Okay, so first setting, I will move to the display. Okay, fractional scaling must be done with the, if you want to do fractional scaling, no, you can choose like 1.5x etc. But if you want to do change the fractional scaling, then make sure that it is valid. In Xorg there is some issue. What is valid Xorg? I will tell you what on restart. Okay, for now it is good for me. I don't want to do fractional scaling. I will install tweaks and on that I will do fractional scaling. Let me install some software till then, and then we will do. I will search App Center. This is the App Center. I can directly open or I can search here. I will install some software. Tweaks. It is a Debian package, I think. Yeah, this genome tweaks. I will install this one. Then I will search extension. I will install this extension by Matthew Jackman. Okay. I will also install VS Code. It is on the snap package. I think it is with the name code. Yes, this is a Visual Studio Code. I will install that part also. Till it is installing, let me do some settings. Okay, in the settings I will move to the sounds. It is fine. Power, it is fine. I set the power mode to performance so that all the installation and other things happen perfectly fine. For appearance, you can change the wallpaper. I will tell you where to download more good wallpapers. For Ubuntu desktop, I don't want this home folder to show here, so I will remove that. I don't want a panel mode. I want a dock mode, and I want at the button, and also I want it to be auto hide. It means if something happens here, it automatically hide. Okay, so this is the auto hide part. Okay, this part is done. Yes. Next part is I will click on the options. I will unpin this. Let me disable the auto hide for now. Yeah, I will remove this part also. I will remove this part. Thunder client. Okay, so this settings where it does happen. Let me see. Appearance, multitasking, hot corner I will enable. This settings is fine. Hot corner means like this. If you go to the corner, it will all the apps and other settings will show. Okay, so this is the hot corner. I have enabled it. There is setting to disable this unmounted parts. I am looking for that setting. Let me move to the system setting. Till then, date and time automatic set. I want AM PM. I want weekday. I don't want second. I want week numbers. That is fine. Next settings I want to do show battery percentage. So here it is showing 100% battery. Yeah, configure dock viewer. So this is the dock. I will move to the configure dock viewer. I don't want unmounted volume and network volume. Trace is fine. Trace should here shown. Okay, this is this much setting I want. Fine. And now I want auto hide so that my full screen there and dock is coming like this. This much is fine. VS Code is installing. Till then, let us do some more settings before restart. I will search for the extension manager. I will install some extensions. One extension I like is the clipboard. So this clipboard indicator. And so this is the clipboard. Anything you will copy will come here. So suppose I copy this text and it will come here. Okay. Next setting I want is a vitals. Okay, vitals, so all the vital informations. So this is the vitals showing. What I will do, I will first remove everything that it is showing. I think I don't want memory for now. From system I don't want, and from network I don't want. Okay, so what I want from memory, I first want a current usage, so 21% usage. And from processor I want what is the percentage usage of processor. And from networks I want first upload speed. So this device RX is the device TX is the upload speed, transfer speed. This is the receive speed. Okay, so this is the receive speed. I can move to the settings. I don't want 5-second interval, I want 2-second interval. High precision means point, I don't want point. Hide icon, no. I want a genome style icon. This icon I generally prefer. I will check this box and vitals part is done. Okay, this trick done. I think this code has also been installed. Yeah, so let us do some tweaks. Okay, we have installed tweaks. Okay, from tweaks I move to the font and I can scale it. Okay, now I generally prefer 1.08 or 0.9, 0.10, somewhere around this 16. Yeah, 16 is enough for me now. This much font size is enough for me. Okay, I will do some more installation or other thing, but before that, yeah, let us do that installation, then we will restart. Okay. First I want to change the boot menu, so I will move to the Genome Looks. Okay, or you can just search Genome Looks. You will come to this website. Don't do fractional scaling. Okay, instead of fractional scaling, prefer districts and prefer the font size. Prefer the from font. Prefer this scaling factor. Okay, from here I want a grub theme, that is the starting thing where option of coming Ubuntu and window, and this is the JTK 3 or 4. It is the starting menu. So first I will change the grub theme. I will move to the top rated grub themes. And I like this one, Journalism grub theme. You can see all the themes, so whichever you like. I generally like this theme. Let us move there. So this particular theme I like. There are multiple versions: Mint, Kali, Manjaro. I like this one. I will click on download, and I think this one is this Ubuntu Tor 4K. Let me download this Ubuntu Tor 4K. It is coming to GitHub, which is unavailable. Okay, this 180p should I do or 2K should I do? Let us try 2K. It is again coming to GitHub. It has downloaded. So I will move to file manager. I will extract this, and it has installed script. I will open a terminal here. I will give a permission to it, and I will run this script as a sudo, and it will install that theme. It has installed that. Fine, that's it. So it has installed this particular theme. Okay. Before restart, I will install a GTK 3 or 4 theme. I will move to the ratings. Sorry, not JTK. It is a Plymouth theme. Okay, JTK is the main theme that currently I am using. I will move to the Plymouth themes. I will move to the ratings, and here many themes are there. Okay, let us choose one. My internet speed is now slowed down. I don't know why. So finally, font loaded, and I will move to this particular Linux distro logos. There are multiple like this arc theme, this. I like this one, this penguin one Linux. I will go to downloads, and I think it is BGRT Mac style, Garuda, Ubuntu Mac style, not Ubuntu, not Seduction, not OpenSUSE, Manjaro, KD Neon, Kubuntu Endeavor. I think it is a Linux Mac style. Yeah, this particular is corresponding to this. So I will click on this one. And I will download this. This installation is little bit different. The step are mentioned here. Okay. So what I will do, I will first extract it. Okay. So this is the, I have extracted it. I will open a terminal here. It is saying to run this particular command. Okay. So I will copy this particular command, and in downloads I will run this, but here the theme name is different. So I will name it different. It is a Linux something. Okay. So done. Next is copy this particular step. just correct the name. So here the name must be yeah, let me big screen. So from this user Plymouth Ubuntu Mac style to Ubuntu Mac style Plymouth. Okay, but I have a Linux installed. Okay, so I will try this Linux, and from this Linux Plymouth, yeah, this particular. So this particular things I will do. I'm pressing tab key. Okay, I'm typing some character and pressing tab key to do autocomplete. I will press enter. This is step done, and with this command I can choose the theme. So this is one theme, BGRT currently. I want to choose this second theme that I am installed, Linux Mac style. I will click on second option, press enter. So now it has chosen the correct theme. Okay. Yes, it has chosen the correct theme. Now I will run this particular thing at the end. So yeah, it has done the installation part. I think it has done successfully. I hope so. No issue. If issue persists, we will try again. Okay, let us check it. We have done a basic setups, basic theme, basic looks, basic font scaling we have done. Let us restart it. I hope everything will be fine. Wallpaper we will change. Yeah, see this logo has been changed. Maybe now the boot menu, you must see a different boot menu because we have changed it. Yeah, now you can see like this. You can see now I have chooses the window, so window BitLocker recovery key coming. I am starting again. Yeah, Ubuntu is coming. I am pressing enter. Ubuntu is loading with a penguin screen. Let us come penguin. Yeah, might be different for not, you may not see very well, but for me it is looking very good. Yeah, here I am saying that whenever you are login now, login with Wayland. For me, Wayland is modern. If you have a new laptop, then login with Wayland. If you have old laptop, then choose the default session. The 2026 Ubuntu that will come in March or April, that has default Wayland only. I will choose Wayland. I have a new computer, so Wayland suit good for me. Okay, so it is working completely fine till now. Now one more extension I will install and I will wrap up this video and move on to more things. One is the compose thing. Okay, compose, something like that. Name is there. Yeah, this one. I will install it. With this part now, you can now this is this like window, but after installing this, you can see that effect. So this wobbly like effect comes. So this is the good extension. There are more extension you can move and check on that. Okay. Anyway, there are many other extensions which comes. So till now it's fine. We have done a basic setup, basic installation. Now we need to move on installing more software like VS Code, programming languages and other parts, and enabling virtual machine. If you want to use virtual machines, if you have a good hardware, that's fine. You can see RAM usage, it is only 10%. That is very good. I can go to the task manager, system monitor here. You can see only 2 GB RAM is using on startup. Even I open the Firefox, even I open the VS Code, even I open the file manager, you can see my RAM usage is pretty good. It is less than 4 GB. It is less than 50%. So RAM utilization of Linux is really very good. So that's all for this. Let us move and install other parts. We will set up VS Code, we will install other softwares and other things. Okay. And before that, I will install now OBS. All the recordings will now be done on OBS. Okay. So I will move to the OBS, and here I will move to the Linux, and it is saying for Ubuntu you need to run this particular command. So this will add a repository So where to look up? So apt is a package manager, and where apt will look to install, that part I am adding first. Okay, so it is adding a repository that here you can look for the packages. I am pressing enter. It has done this. Now I will update it, means I will just update my apt package listing, that where to look. And now I will install the OBS Studio for recording the video, not from the phone, so that recording video will come more good. And there we will do the more installation part, like Podman and other thing, doing virtualization, etc, etc. Okay, so I think OBS is installing. Let me see, OBS installation gets successful. It is taking around 105 MB data. Only 45 MB data has been downloaded now. So OBS Studio has been installed. Now the rest of the recording will come in OBS. Okay, and yeah, I think this much for now. Some tips: use performance if you are doing heavy task. Otherwise, use balance mode. Your battery life will definitely be utilized. My battery life was 2 hours for this HP Omen, since it uses GPU, but after doing this Ubuntu, it is working fabulously fine. Also, one more tip: if you have NVIDIA GPU, so search for additional drivers. Okay, additional drivers, and here in additional driver, by default it select the correct, this proprietary tested one kernel. If not, you can select this 580 open, so your perfect NVIDIA driver get installed. Okay, so that's it for now. I think everything is done. There is no other issues. And other softwares like Node, C++, Python, UV, even this terminal looks and everything, we will do a setups. And before that, just a little bit Firefox setup, what I will do. Okay, later on in next part. Okay, we will do. I think the video is going more than 20 minutes, so for now this much fine. We will do the wallpaper setups and other things, okay, in the next part, in the OBS Studio. Bye.